In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create epic space animations in Blender. We'll build a cinematic zero-gravity scene with a floating astronaut, glowing butterflies, rich space dust, and atmospheric lighting, all inside Blender from start to finish. Begin by grabbing a free astronaut model from a reputable 3D library, such as Sketchfab. Search for astronaut or spacesuit and choose a model that's fully textured, rigged with bones, and free to download. In Blender, go to File, Import, pick the format you downloaded, like GLB, .fbx, or .obj, and bring the model in. If the model includes built-in animation, clear it so you can start fresh. Select the armature, switch to pose mode, press A to select all bones, then use Alt plus G, Alt plus R, and Alt plus S to clear transforms. In the timeline, delete any keyframes so the character rests in a clean T-pose. Now create a believable floating pose. Rotate the arms outward, bend the legs slightly, extend one hand forward, and give the head a gentle tilt. Aim for relaxed, weightless balance. Add subtle looping motion to keep the character alive. At frame 1, key the starting pose. Around frame 60, nudge an arm. Around frame 120, adjust the legs. At frame 180, return to the starting pose. Use the I key to insert rotation and location keyframes so the motion cycles smoothly. For lighting, set the world background to pure black. Add a strong spotlight above the astronaut as your key light, then place blue or purple accent lights from the sides to create cinematic rim highlights. Build the space background with an HDRI, a high-resolution image from the NASA image library, or an AI-generated nebula. In the shader editor for the world, connect an environment texture to drive the background. Bring in a butterfly model. In the shader editor, add a hue saturation node to shift wing colors from cool blues to warm oranges, and optionally mix in a subtle emission for a gentle glow. Animate the wings with shape keys. Add a basis key, then a second key. Edit that one to rotate the wings upward, and animate the value between 0 and 1 for a flapping cycle. Duplicate several butterflies with Shift plus D, offset their timing, tweak scale and rotation, and place them into a collection named butterflies. Create a particle system on a simple cube set to wire in the viewport. In particle settings, set frame start and end to 1, lifetime to 250 or more, number to about 100, source to volume, and gravity to 0. Under render, choose render as collection and select butterflies. Enable rotation and random rotation. Add a turbulence force field and raise strength, size, and flow for smooth, organic motion. For space dust, scatter a small icosphere with another particle system and a simple material to add depth. Create volumetric fog by enclosing the scene in a large cube using a principled volume shader with density around 0.01 to 0.03 and a soft blue color for atmospheric rays. Add cinematic camera motion with a 50 to 85 millimeter focal length, enable depth of field, focus on the astronaut's helmet or hand, and animate a slow forward move. In render settings, switch to cycles for realistic light and volume, use 128 to 512 samples with denoising enabled, and set output to FFmpeg video, MPEG-4 H.264. In the compositor, enhance the look with color balance, a touch of glare, slight lens distortion, and a soft vignette. Finally, go to render animation to export your finished space scene. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Blender tips and tutorials.